Network Entertainment.
I think for the creatives nowadays, it's still the same, but it's just different in terms of like what's available to them.
The tools.
The tools that
Yeah.
are available. Yun nga. I told Tin. I told Tin also.
Team Dunk.
Team Dunk. No, I told
The big
I told-
fundamental.
I told Tin kanina na parang I also believe in the saying. It was for one of the videos ni Casey Neistat. Do you know who Casey
Yes,
Neistat?
of course.
Sabi niya, when you have less, it's easier. When you have more, things get harder.
More complicated.
Yeah.
Yep.
Benta
And
nyo
I
ng benta nyo ng mga gamit nyo. Kasi po, panay benta ng sapatos
Ito naman, nagreklamo rin kami. Bilhin nyo na.
Every day may binibenta bago si Paus.
And honestly, I believe that because when I had my first camera, everything was like, yeah, tara, go na, grab and
Ito
go.
na yun,
Ngayon,
ito
ito
na
na
yun.
yun.
Ilang camera mo ngayon?
Well, right now, I only
Kakabenta
have
niya
two.
lang ng buong ano
Binenta
niya.
ko na yung buong Fujifilm line ko eh. Kasi I shifted systems. I signed with
I know.
Canon
Yeah,
recently.
congratulations, by the way.
Congrats, we're so proud.
Yeah.
Binenta ko na lahat.
Kasi nag-fire sale si sir.
As in fire sale. In less than
Everything must
24
go.
hours, it was gone.
Grabe. Ang dami ko pa rin gusto itanong. No? Hindi ko
Sobrang
alam,
dami.
hindi ko kasi alam medyo yung questioning medyo kung saan ba pasok. But I'm just, okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump to the next question I have here. What makes a good photographer?
There's a saying that I also lived by before. I forgot. He was a Pulitzer Prize winner. O, di ba? Ang lalim.
Pulitzer?
Pulitzer. Kasi dati
Hindi
we
ko
only...
alam, may pulit.
Hindi. Because dati we only had books and magazines. We don't have anything on screens. So, what makes a good photograph is if it makes you cry,
Wow.
if it makes you laugh, if it rips out your heart,
May emotion.
that's a good photo.
How about a good photographer? What makes a good photographer? Kasi now everybody's like good. Of course, they can
depends.
take a phone and
I
just,
think what
just
makes
cup
it-
whatever. I mean, maybe artistic with it,
I-
aesthetic.
Aesthetic?
I think what makes a good photographer, personally for me, or maybe because I'm also basing it on my experience, para lang alam nyo introvert talaga ako. But because of parang yung job ko requires me to talk to people, I have to. So I think what makes a good photographer is the one that who can also interact and
Bring out
bring out the best.
The energy
Yun yung
from-
magic ni Magic eh. Kasi parang it's so easy
May magic
to...
ko.
Magic ni Magic. It's so easy to make a beautiful person look beautiful. But you have this
A
way
pangit
of...
person is-
Hindi naman. How do you bring out
At saka-
the best in an everyday person? Ano
Yeah.
ba yun? May ganun ka eh.
Talaga ba?
Oh, parang...
Ba't di mo
nalalabas
mapalabas
mo.
kay Sam?
Kaya nga eh. Di ba?
Ba't parang laging
Parang
ano to?
Kasi diba, ang dali pagandahin ni Pia sa pictures.
Maganda
ang dali
na kasi siya.
But the everyday person, di ko alam kung paano mo nagagawa.
I-
Parang may glint sa mata nila. How do you do it?
It's because I love what I do also. So for me to make it like translate, I really have to interact. I'm sure kayo din as creatives also in the industry. How do you become a good host? You also have to have a good co-host. You also have to have a good guest. Or else hindi mo siya
The energy flows eh.
Yes. So I think that magic energy that you're trying to say is really just me wanting, or maybe because I'm also interested in knowing who these people are. I think yun yung iba sa akin. Na I'm not, even when I was starting before, I won't go to an event and go like, alis na. No. I'd always go like, hey, hi, how are you? You mind if I take your photo? Ganun palagi. What's your name? Actually, yun yung bungad ko. Hi, what's your name? Are you part of the event? Blah, blah, blah. You mind if I take your photo? Pre-Instagram days. You mind if I take your photo? Yeah, sure. Okay.
As an introvert, paano mo nagawa yun?
I had to. I really had to force myself to talk to people. Actually, between me and my
Galing.
wife, ako yung sobrang
Baliktad
social
nga kayo. Oo.
butterfly. Pero
Pero
because
introvert.
Pero
Ha?
introvert.
Pero introvert. So, di ba may bago ng term for that?
Oo, nabasa ko yun.
Antrovert. Basta something ganon.
Introvert? Ano naman yun?
Something.
Sorry,
Parang
hindi
it's
ko
a
pa-
mix of
Parang
both.
ambivert na. Parang ganon.
Pero yun, I think ever since, kasi honestly ako, yung ugali ko, I'd rather just stay home and just be quiet, like look at all the past photos.
Kasi-
Of
Oh,
Sam.
wow.
No,
wow,
pero
wow.
ganun. So I think that's what makes a good photographer. You just have to know how to.
Bring out that
Bring out
energy.
that magic.
Bring out the magic from the person you're shooting. Let's talk about
That
worst. You talked about great celebrity encounters. I want to know the worst
Oh my
celebrity
gosh.
encounter.
You don't have to name
You don't have to name names. Pero
Just the kwento.
mo lang.
Ayoko
gusto ko
i-name
lang-
kasi baka yung buong fanbase.
Huwag natin i-name. Huwag natin
yung
i-name.
kwento na
Just
parang,
the story.
or may shoot dapat kayo isang parang 10 hours na hindi pa siya dumarating. Ganun.
Okay. Baka pwede ko naman i-name kasi international. International!
Ayun!
I-name na natin.
Well, ikaw bahala.
No,
Yeah,
pero
we leave it up to
notorious din si Avril Lavigne for her, I don't know if you've seen that, her meet and greet photos. So she did a concert here, nag-meet and greet. Girl, pasok siya meet and greet, naka-hoodie.
Ayaw
Hindi
niyo
siya
tanggalin.
gumagalaw.
Si Avril to hindi yung clone niya. Di ba may clone daw siya?
Oh, sabi nila. Tapos meron pang isa, it's a big, ano to, guy group. Boy band.
Okay, boy band.
Na I think 4 sila.
Okay.
Nasa backstage kami sa amin. I hate signing these things. Yung nagsasign autograph. Tapos parang ako doon, pipicture ako ba to? Or BV siya eh. Or parang BV siya eh. So parang, yun. But sa local scene naman, I think, yeah, maayos naman lahat ng nakatrabaho. So far. So far. Yeah. Parang maayos naman. May mga kuripot. Pero,
Okay, kuripot.
Kuripot game.
Pero-
paano naging kuripot?
hindi, okay.
Expound.
May way kasi dyan. Ang nakikita kong way talaga is, if you're friends with the celebrity, they will actually hire you and help you. Right?
Okay.
Pero kung yung mga bagong nakaka-work ko, even before, pag bago, syempre, testing the waters kayo pareho eh. So parang ikaw, may pro bono ka na rin na, sige, libre na lang. Pero kasi sometimes, when it's libre or below your
Yeah.
your
Pay standard.
rates,
Yeah.
Yeah.
minsan mas nawawala yung value eh. Kaya parang minsan isip mo, wala, kuripot siya eh. Pero that shouldn't be a hadlang if you wanna be a creative talaga. Depends with your direction. Kasi may mga shoot din na tinatawag kong shoot and forget. Yung
Okay.
hindi maganda yung brand, hindi maganda yung ugali ng
Sige lang.
client ko.
Tawid na natin to.
Pero maganda yung rates.
Budget.
Shoot and forget. Diba? Pero if, like, I think the worst is just like, you're not paid well. This was before.
Okay.
You're not paid well, tapos ang dami pang papagawa sa'yo. Na parang, that means they don't value you. They
Yeah.
don't know
The
who
art.
you
Or maybe
they don't know who you are kasi. And there's may wiggle room naman doon kung paano mo siya kasi nagkaroon akong client na gano'n, tapos naging recurring client siya kasi nag-voice out din ako na parang, I think it's better if we do this. But that is based on experience din siya.
Best naman. Best encounter, best moment, either the local or international celebrity na parang, uy,
Okay, sige.
either, niyaya ka.
Ang dami. Sorry, pero
Let's go through them. Top 5.
it's, oh my gosh, ang hirap. I always get this a lot then when people ask me, what is your best concert? What is your best celebrity you shot? What's the best opportunity you got? All of them. Because you cannot repeat any of those things.
True.
The events in our lives, hindi mo siya mauulit eh. The encounters we have in our lives, hindi mo siya mauulit. So, ang hirap sagutin for me, yung best.
Okay, so
Hirap.
di ba you've shot
Nahirapan ako.
the biggest concerts, the most beautiful people in and out of the country. It's such a glamorous job, di ba? But was there a time na may ginawa ka na sobrang unglamorous and naisip mo, alam mo, if people only knew na gumagapang ako sa putek or alam mo yung mga ganon. May ganun
BTS,
bang
yung
moment?
behind the scenes. Na wala nakakakita. Para makuha yung money shot na yan, pucha, pina-harness ka sa building, gano'n.
Hindi, yung mga ganun ang part of the job yun. Pero I think yung yung parang kawawa level.
Yun.
Remote ang itong ginagawa ko sa buhay
Kung alam lang ng
ko.
mga tao na ito yung ginagawa
Bakit?
ko.
Bakit ako? Ba't ko pa ginagawa to?
When I was starting, syempre walang pera eh. Walang bayan. May one time, wala akong money at all. Naglakad ako from Green Hills to Katipunan.
Malayo yun, sir.
Malayo yun.
Okay.
With one camera. Tapos wala akong pera. Sabi ko, "Ano to? Wala akong pera." Not just that. That was my pero early
days
yun.
yun.
Pero yung
The grind.
The grind per se, honestly, what people don't see talaga is like countless hours you try to create something, especially with content creation nowadays. Mag-video edit ka. Akala ng mga tao parang, pwede na yun sa CapCut. Latag mo lang, tapos okay
Tamaan
na.
ako sa CapCut.
No, I think, and yung hours lang na that takes, na sometimes,
Yeah.
ang hirap pa kasi kakain ka ng fast food. Kasi yun yung mabilis. Or Basta, I think
Kasi
it's just
people see the event, how glamorous it is. People see your output, but they don't see what happens in between.
yung pawis sa events, yung after, yung dati nagdadala ko pag summer sa atin, I bring 3 shirts. That's
Okay.
why I'm always wearing black.
Black.
Like, mag-CR, mag-CR lang ako, papalitan ko ng t-shirt. Alam ko na yung pinaka, nakakahiya. Bigla akong naalala. Sobrang pagod ko with what I do. I go to the restroom to just be quiet.
I do
to
that.
decompress and
I've
just
done that a few
be.
times. Yung
Na
teka
parang,
lang.
ang saya mo sa labas, picture,
Pero
ganyan,
naubos ka, nag-empty
The moment-
battery, nag-empty
Pagpasok ko ng CR talagang, may one time pa, naiyak ako. Sobrang,
May ganun na
Ano,
yun.
and-
negative iyak?
Hindi,
pagod
frustration lang to,
frustration niya.
Overwhelmed.
Kasi parang sabi ko,
Overwhelm iyak.
sana alam ng mga tao how
hard it is.
to do this job. It's not easy. Nothing is easy in life.
You make it look easy, honestly.
But
I
because it
think
takes effort.
Yeah,
It takes
but,
effort to look effortless.
yeah, but I always say that the people who make it look easy, that's when you get to see what they actually do and you try it, and it's
Actually, si Max, my wife, she always tells me na, kunwari, nag-shoot kami for our business. Or kahit na lang yung pag nagpa-fashion week ako. The moment na makita niya ako, kasi uuwi ako, yun pa, jet lag ka pa, mag-i-edit ako ng parang 15-minute vlog. Hindi ako kakain, hindi ako matutulog, ganun.
kasi in the zone ka.
Kasi in the zone ako. Tapos sabihin sa akin ni Max, I don't think I've met anyone who's done that. Maliban pag
When you lock in, you're locked in.
when you're locked in, you're locked in. And I think, nandun yung passion mo eh.
Yeah.
Hindi lang siya basta work na parang, just to get by, to get over. No, every shoot that I make, even if it's you in my studio, even if it's like events, like Adidas events or what, everything that I do with my job, I value. So I think nandun yung respeto ko with the craft. Na no one can take that away.
Right, of course.
Okay, nabanggit mo na yung Fashion Week. I think everyone noticed a slight shift in your career in the past couple of years, diba? From being present at all
The events, alam na, wala pa kami ni Tin sa event, alam namin,
Magic
Present
siguro
si
na.
Magic,
Makikita natin si
sigurado.
Magic dito.
Tapos kaibigan natin, so gagandaan niya yung picture
Oo,
ko, di ba?
oo.
And then, alam niya yung
ganun-
angle ko.
Actually, ayun pa. Wait, kailangan ko lang i-share bago
sige,
tayo
sige.
pumunta sa...
Bago ko
ang
uminom.
hirap ang hirap. Na kapag pupunta ka sa event before, this was early 2013,
tama,
2020, pre-pandemic.
Correct.
Pag pupunta ako, kasi I was shooting 3, 4, 5 events a week. Pag pupunta ako ng event, minsan yung mga brand and PR, ikaw na bahala. Tapos parang ako, wala akong shot list. Bigyan niyo akong shot list. Hindi niyo pwede yung pabahala.
Tiwala nila yun sa'yo,
Oo nga,
Madge.
pero it adds so much pressure. Na
Gets.
even when I've been a photographer for the longest time. I've faced all these celebrities. The top ones, Ann Curtis, Solen, the It Girls, all of them, Catherine, Nadine, Hart, lahat sila. Ang hirap pag sinabi nilang, ikaw na bahala, parang ikaw, oh my God, here we go. Here we go. But because of, syempre, yung experience, alam mo na. Dahil sa tagal ko rin, alam ko na yung angle niya.
Yeah.
Alam ko na yung, I think that's my advantage.
Yeah.
Alam ko na yung angle niya. Alam ko na kung ano yung mga chismis na kailangan ko. Linis sa in post.
And that's why people say ikaw na bahala. Because they know.
Because you know.
Probably. Yeah. Pero yun nga, syempre, it's difficult.
Yeah.
It's difficult. But you were
Okay,
saying
yes.
about...
So the shift.
yeah, the shift.
The shift in
The
your
shift.
career.
Okay,
How did it happen?
okay. Me shooting in Fashion Week wasn't, hindi siya accident eh. Hindi siya parang eureka moment. So, not a lot of people know this, pero when Pia Wurtzbach won Miss Universe in 2015, photographer na ako nun. I was hired by PLDT and Smart for her homecoming. So when we shot that time, I was following her for almost a whole year. Nung reign niya, hindi kami nag-uusap nun. Hindi kami nag-uusap ni Pia.
But did she know who you were?
No! I wasn't even... 2015 to, so I wasn't that like... Established yet. Kasi kakatapos ko lang. Puro concerts yung under my belt nung time na yun eh. Wala pang masyadong events. So hindi kami magkakilala noon. As in work lang, parang via picture. Okay. Ganun lang. No usap. Minsan
And
magkatabi kaming ganyan.
And generally, she's very accommodating naman.
She's
And
very-
ikaw din, you're also always, diba, hi.
Actually, magkaugali kami. Like, we're people pleasers,
Correct.
if I may say. So, nung pandemic, I started working nung wala tayong work lahat nun. So, I'm sure nakatanggap rin kayo if kasama kayo dun sa text blast ko na
Yes.
parang, hi, I'm working for,
Yes.
you can hire me for 2,000 for the entire day.
Yes.
Kasi walang trabaho.
Correct. Walang trabaho.
Diba? And she was one of the people who parang sabi niya, sige Magic, let's try this kapag nag-clear out na yung lockout. She forgot about that. Tapos yung medyo nag-clear na yung lockdown, sabi niya, sige, shoot tayo. Tapos parang Pia Words back to. Miss
Syempre,
Universe to. Basta ang taas. So sabi ko, I did the whole content, photos, videos. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, don't pay me.
Oh.
Sabi niya, why? Sabi ko, let me know if you like my work and then let's do it again.
Wow.
And then we started this was 2022, 2023, we started doing content shoots every month. Tapos we started flying me na to local destinations with yung husband niya, si Jeremy Johnsey.
Ikaw yung parang official photographer
Parang
niya.
ako yung, niya, close in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then when she started Fashion Week, sabi niya, hey, you wanna do something in Paris? Sabi ko, huh? Paris? What? Fashion Week? Iba pala
What year
dun.
was this?
This was 2023
Okay.
when she told me. The entire shift, because I've been through a lot. Like what yung backstory ko is, Nazareno, tapos naging seminars,
seminar.
tapos
Yes.
concerts,
Tapos
tapos
eto na.
events.
Hari, Paris Fashion Week.
Nag-editorial pa ako. Honestly, may weddings din ako dun somewhere there. Now, we'll get to it also probably. Tapos Fashion Week. Yung shift was very sudden. And it was very difficult. Kasi ibang realm yun eh.
Yeah.
Ibang mundo
Yeah.
dun.
Yeah.
Honestly, hindi siya parang sa atin na you know everyone knows you.
Baliktad.
Parang
Wala
dun,
kang kilala.
wala kang kilala. Tas lahat kabrasuhan mo. Kasi lahat dun Getty, yung mga ganyan.
Sapa ka ng labanan.
Oo, ganun.
Box out.
But it was a good experience.
Kaya ka
I think.
nagpa-muscle.
Hindi. Siyempre,
I just wanted to ask, baka medyo nag-work.
pump,
Nag-work ka.
yeah.
Tsaka medyo napatakin tayo ng konti today,
pag
no?
nagtrantahin ka talaga, you
tama naman, tama
value
naman.
your health.
Kala ko, I need to work out a little bit.
Grabe, gusto ko yung napasok mo pa yun. Mapasok mo lang
Yung
nag-workout.
gains.
But
Saan pa ba?
thank you for noticing.
Yeah, diba?
Do you feel lost, doubting yourself, and tired? You question your worth and existence? Well, I'm here for you. Hey, this is Gailey Chavez, and I'm the host of Free Yourself Podcast. My podcast talks about self-love, self-discovery, and growth. This is for everyone who wants to live their fullest life and become the person that they could be. Let me help out and remind you that this is your life, your path, that you are not broken and you are worth it. Catch me every Friday at 8 p.m. See ya!
Pero yun, yung shift was very hard coming from...
Did you feel like may imposter syndrome ba? Kasi you knew you were gonna be up against international photographers.
Sort of. But then again, nung una sin-start ko siya na parang kung paano tingin
Philippine
ko.
style, oh.
Hindi nga eh. Kung paano ko yung tingin kong bebenta dun.
Okay.
Oh.
I wanted to like, alam mo yun, yung parang pag pumasok ka sa isang room, parang you wanna fit in. So I tried that. Tapos sabi ko, dito ako eh. It wasn't me. So parang I really pushed, even, that's what I love about Pia also. When I ask her,
Let's try this.
let's try this. Sabi niya, sige, go. Basta, so creative direction wise, parang sinasabi niya, sige, Magic, ikaw bahala. What you want, let's try it. If it works, it works. So, hindi siya imposter syndrome per se, but it's more of like,
How can I be different?
how can I bring myself there? Not how can I work there? How can I bring me there? That's why, and translate it to content
I
that I want.
understand it.
Ang imposter syndrome ko is pag uwi ko dito.
Because
Nawala yung brands ko.
Because
Because
Sige, because
Because people think I exclusively work with one person, which is
which
Pia.
seemed like it.
Which seemed like
Because syempre, I mean, your social media content also
Yes.
kind of shifted.
Yeah.
Yes.
Di ba na
Yeah.
parang, ito na lang pala ginagawa ni Magic.
Oo. Tapos
Inevitably.
hindi pa ako makapost nung Pinas kasi wala akong ganap dito eh.
Correct. Right.
Lagi akong lumilipad.
In and out. Oh.
So it was very difficult also to reconnect with brands and tell them na parang, hey,
I'm still here.
I'm still here.
Because I'm sure they were contacting you at that time.
Yes.
Ay, sorry, wala ako dito.
Do you have a
Actually,
manager or
sorry, lilipad
secretary?
ako
No,
dito.
none. You
Ikaw
wanna,
pa rin.
you wanna be
I'm okay. I'm just asking, brother. I'm just asking.
Pero
Admin
wala,
mo to?
wala. I manage myself, which I think is also, I need to get a
Uh-huh.
manager. I need to get
You
a
need
manager. Because it gets tiring
Totoo.
if
Or an
you're
assistant, at
one
least.
man team.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pero yun, I just had to like talk to reconnect with the brands. Kasi I was getting inquiries nung mga 2024. Pero dahil, wala ako eh. Kasi I'm out of the country. Parang sabi nila, nung 2025, parang, di na, wag na natin.
Hindi na naman yan.
Wag na
Wala
tayo.
na naman yan dito
Kasi,
for sure.
Wala naman yan
Wag
dito
na tayo
for
umasa.
Sure. Kaya every time, like recently, every time I'm here, they're like, you're here? Ganun
Gulat
na yung
sila.
bungad nung tao. Kahit ikaw eh. Pag biglang,
Sobrang shocked kami na you were here for last night out. Super shocked.
Hindi talagang parang like I
parang
I
biglang
shot-
naging magic ako sa...
minsan may shoot kami parang 2 months in the making. Ganun. Kasi pa-plot namin parehong kalendaryo namin.
paano?
Parang-
Busy rin to.
Oo, na parehong,
Sobra.
parehong didikit. Okay, kahit umaga, kahit mga 3 hours, gawin, kaya na natin to.
Pero naging whole day yun kasi.
Kwentuhan.
chika.
Pero yun, it was very difficult to...
So do you want to shift back?
I mean, I think the 3 years that I've spent in doing Fashion Week, parang maybe I can choose my battles na. Hindi na yung gigil na gigil.
Not sure if you want to answer this question. Maybe you can give us a ballpark.
Yeah.
From 1,000 pesos. Or
Whoa.
the bar na bote. Magkano magpa-shoot kay Magic?
BIR, wag muna kayo
Magic Liwanag
makinig.
ngayon.
I pay my taxes. So even if they check, I pay my
BIR.
taxes.
BIR! Si Zaldi ko nakatakas
Conscience
na
is
naman.
clear.
Si Zaldi ko nakatakas na naman. Ano na?
wag ako yung habulin niyo. Isa mo.
Wag ako.
No.
Nahimik ako dito.
Okay.
Kita mo yung scarf ko. Ano?
Hindi, I think it's wala kasing ano eh. Wala
Are you a
kasing...
by hour person? Are you a by
I started,
project?
okay, so
Okay.
let's just, parang let's put it in stage.
Okay.
Sige,
I
sige.
started
Okay.
with like 350 per hour
Okay.
Wow.
and minimum of 4 hours.
Okay.
Kano yun?
Okay. Wag ako. 1-4.
Oh, mga ganon. Roughly.
Tama ba?
Roughly, 1-3.
Tama. Oh.
And then, eventually, naging 1.5 per hour. Tapos naging 3,000 per hour. Always minimum 3-4 hours. Kasi ganyan yung takbo ng events.
Tsaka,
Ang dami na nun.
Right.
Dami
Yeah.
na nun. And then, I stuck with 25K per event. And then, became 35K per event. And then, right now, yung rates ko naglalaro from 80 to 100 per event.
Per event. And that's like you said, 4 hours.
3-4 hours.
3-4
But
hours. Does that include editing the photos?
Yes,
Do you have a
yes.
album? What do I
Actually,
get
yun
from
yung,
that? What do I
yun
get
yung,
from
yun yung thing
from
ko.
that? Oh.
I think before, ako nagpauso ng airdrop. Ewan ko
Ano
naalala-
totoo yan? Super true.
Pero
Pero
ngayon, you're signed with another, we're signed with
I'm
the
with
phone
Oppo.
brand.
I'm with Oppo.
You're with Oppo. Oh.
So it's, and nowadays din, hindi na sila nagmamadali. Like the guests, they, after the pandemic, natuto silang
Mag-antay.
mag-chill.
Okay.
Dati kasi gusto mo ikaw yung una.
Ay, naku, dati talaga.
O FOMO, na wala kang picture.
I won't forget, Lux event sa Valkyrie. Sa Valkyrie. Nagpa-picturean lahat sila. Solen, lahat ng ambassadors ng
Naalala
event.
ko tong gabing to.
Oh, nandun ka rin.
andun
So
ako.
picture ako. Hindi pa uso yung airdrop nun. Pero sabi ko, nakaka-transfer na ako ng photos sa camera ko. Tapos sinabi ni Apple sa Abirin, ambassadors, post all your photos. First time nagtatakbuhan lahat ng daily.
Takbo sila sa'yo.
Parang Walking Dead.
Oo, pero lahat babae.
Apocalypse!
Ganon, magic! Pictures ko! Ganon. So WhatsApp yun. And that's how I got their numbers. Personal numbers. Hindi
Everybody
email.
take notes.
Ay,
Ikaw ba, paano mo nakuha yung mga number nila, Sam?
back to you. Back to you, pare.
Siyempre, ginamitan niya ng scarf.
Huwag niyo
Laging handa.
Pare,
Laging
Boy
handa si
Scout.
Sam.
Boy Scout. Tsaka naka-green pa ako, naka-army pants.
pero yun, I think yun yung naging way ko, and I think yun yung bumenta rin sa brands, because when you hire me before, all the celebrities, parang naging asset ako per se. All the celebrities, all the guests will get their photos right away, will get to post, and that's good for the brand.
Which is an added factor na parang okay.
Value
Correct,
added.
correct,
Yes.
correct.
Hindi na problema nung PR magpadala. Di, si Magic nang bahala. Baka kaya ganun, ikaw na bahala. Ganon. So, kaya then nag-advance yung rates ko.
Of
Kasi
course,
it's
which
more-
is rightfully so.
Yes.
There's work after the work.
Yes.
After,
Not a
after
lot
the
of people
actual-
know
yeah.
that. Actually, even before.
Oo.
Before, scout ka ng areas, you shoot. But yun yung, to answer your question, yun yung what you get with the rates that I have. You have
The actual
probably
shoot.
the actual shoot, and then you have edited photos, you have raw photos, you have photos delivered with a private link that has
Yes,
password protected for you. Pwede rin if you have, kunwari brand ka, if you have guests, I can, if I know your guests, I can personally
Send them.
send them their photos. Even videos dahil nandito
Because now,
tayo
you
ngayon.
also cross over to do videos once in a while. I know we are running to almost an hour.
Baduy.
Ang dami kong pag-uusap.
Ang hirap kasi pagkaibigan. Ang hirap
Yeah,
pagkaibigan.
ang
Kasi
hirap.
parang alam ko yung trajectory. I saw the
growth.
I saw the
My
I saw the
gosh.
I see the hardships.
Tagal.
Kasi I guess for people like us, I mean, we're not exactly artistas per se. We also see what happens behind the scenes.
And that's the best part,
Diba?
actually.
We
Behind the
see what
scenes.
happens in
The
front.
juice.
We see what happens at the back.
And in between,
in
after.
between, diba? Alam natin pinapakain sa mga tao.
Oh, dumaan
ganyan.
na rin ako sa mga prod meal na yan. Sam.
True meal,
Kaya
yes.
nung prod meal ng Margarita Forest, ay, sabi ibang level. Sa weddings lang
Oh,
nangyayari.
sa wedding.
Sa weddings.
Yung, sabi ko nga, I always tell this to people na sometimes you overlook kasi gusto mo tipirin yung prod meals. But you have to think, these people who work behind the scenes,
Yeah.
You have to make them happy because they're the ones who bring out the best out of your show, out of your event. So, kung pagkain lang labanan, pakainin mo na sila ng masarap
Ano
na
ba naman
pagkain.
ang pagkain?
Kasi nakangiti yan, masaya yan mga yan. They'll
Correct.
do their best to give you the best show that's possible.
That said, hindi na daw siya tumatanggap ng crew meal.
Uy, nasa rider ni Sam yan.
Eh, sabi ko sa akin maayos na pagkain is important. Kasi sa akin, it affects my mental.
Yes, of
course.
If I'm not happy, how do you make other people happy? But before we wrap it up, where do you see Magic Liwanag in the next 3 years? Because you're already on top of the game. I don't think there's anybody remotely close to you,
Wow, thank you.
you know, at this
agree.
level of
And I think everyone would.
of photography,
Thanks,
especially when it
thanks.
comes to events. I know we weren't able to dive into the weddings because that's a whole different can of worms. We'll talk about it hopefully on the next episode. But event photography, there is no other person that comes close to you.
Wow.
Or I can't think of anyone for that matter. But is there going to be a Magic Liwanag team? Is there? I see you, still bringing your whole rig, 5 cameras in isang buhat.
Ganun
I don't-
pala ako
I don't,
dati.
I don't know why you still do that.
I
Wala
still
ka- diba?
sometimes.
But yeah, what's next?
And by the way, we're so happy to find out that you're gonna be spending a lot more time here.
Yes.
Hindi ka na, tama ba? Tama ba yung nakuha ko sa conversation
yeah,
natin?
eventually.
Yes.
Yeah. It's in the works.
And
Um,
bago yan, congratulations on the Canon ambassadorship.
Congratulations.
No, okay. Wait. Kailangan ko lang i-clear. Baka kailangan nyo. Hindi siya ambassadorship yet.
Pero kaya,
It's a partnership.
Okay.
We're claiming
Ah,
that.
claiming.
We're
Uy,
claiming it.
yun.
Canon.
Oy, Canon!
JV.
Pare!
Game na.
Pare, huwag
Level
natin
up,
patagalin
level
Canon. Ano ba may pa-term, mga ambassador, endorser, ganyan. Ano, partnership?
Partnership.
Pare-pareho lang yan.
Punta na tayo dun.
I-G na natin yan, di ba?
Next 3 years. Well, first of all, wow. Okay. Hindi kasi ako ganun ka long.
But
Okay.
now, at this age, man, you
Yeah, at
have
this age,
to.
I have
You
to.
have
Yeah,
to.
yeah,
Yung
yeah.
problem, we've been talking about this for how many years?
I mean, when you're turning 30, I mean, hindi mo pa siya iniisip. Okay. 3 years, next 3 years, I still plan to shoot events because this is really what I
You
love
love?
to do.
Okay.
Do you miss it?
Yeah, dude. I miss it a lot. Actually, mas miss ko concerts. Sobra. Like, kaya I'm sad wala ng Wonderland Festival. Ang daming festival natin. Ultra, I shoot that. Basta ang dami. Meron pa siyang dati kayo. Ano yun?
Unleashed.
Unleashed.
Unleashed. Oh my God, ang gulo
Ang
na.
daming ganun. But,
Huwag natin pag-usapan yun.
yeah, but for me, moving forwards, I still plan to do this. Events. And right now, it's more of like content creation. I really
Okay.
want to create more videos.
Which I love.
I
how
love-
you create.
I
Yeah, you have your own
really love.
style of, it's very classy. Very,
Alam mo eh. Alam mo
Actually,
magic.
yun yung point ko eh. Parang I wanted to look classy but at the same time very
digestible.
human.
Yeah.
You know, no,
Human.
like, kasi ganun din yung pinagsimulan ko eh. It's not all glitz and glam. Kailangan pakita mong tao rin, kahit sinong artista yung harap mo sa akin, or kahit sinong subject, I always wanna connect with yung pagiging human nila. So I still wanna do that. But at the same time, no, there's no Magic Liwanag team. So imagine 18 years I've been doing this. I do get like, I have my
Interns or whatnot.
my constants that I pull in from time to time. But I still want to shoot events, but at the same time I want to focus on like my studio because I have a studio.
Which
but
you
the-
4
should,
years na
which you
siya.
should.
Happy 4-year-old.
Huwag natin ano, sabihin 4 years. Hindi, pero yeah, it's my studio's been there for the longest time. But because from 2023 to 2025, sobrang basically pa daw nilipad.
Yeah.
Hindi ko siya na maximize. But I want to shoot in my studio. But most especially, I'm sure you're gonna get surprised. My plan for the next 3 years is actually to dive more with, producing content for tech. Because I am so in love
Oo
with,
nga,
with
totoo.
tech
Grabe
ever
to.
since.
Yeah.
As in, I love tech more than... Actually, mas magkapar sila ng photography ko. I love it. Especially nowadays. I really want to be a tech guy.
Geek. Which I
weird.
think I can... Nagmotor kami day after Christmas.
Huwag mo na kwento.
Pare.
Sige, kwento mo.
Pare.
Paano mo
sabi ko,
makaimaksa
sabi,
mo?
sabi, tara sige, shoot tayo. Sabi ko, huwag ka magalang gamit. Sabi ko, ride lang tayo. Enjoy lang tayo. Ang kwentuhan. Si sir, 3 drone ang dala.
Hayop. Drone! Drone!
Dumating kami sa Tagaytay 7:30. 12:30 na ng hapon, nandun pa rin kami. Kaming dalawa lang.
Drone
Sabi,
shot kayo
tas,
doon.
hindi, sabi ko, suot mo to, paliparin mo. Di siya, si Sam na, may palipad. Sabi niya, okay, ito Pops.
Try mo to camera. Shoot mo yun.
I
Ganun
think-
siya guys, ganun siya ka-tech geek.
Oo,
But you
passionate
see,
about tech.
by having, he's like a kid in a toy store having fun.
It's because I didn't grow up with all these things, diba? And parang second childhood natin, a little bit expensive. But I really want to dive into tech. Kasi also, I don't know if you're aware, pero I don't know any credible people who does tech here. Not really credible. I mean, there are credible,
Of course,
pero
yeah.
not like,
In-depth talaga.
hindi nga in-depth eh. Pero puro nga in-depth eh. Puro,
Okay.
Walang breaking down. Medyo
breaking the fourth wall.
Correct.
Okay.
Relax
Type
lang.
of na parang chill
Ano ba talaga
lang.
yan? Oh.
Alam mo yun, na may ganda. And I think it goes well with my job. Diba? Pwede ko sila dalhin behind the scenes with my videos and show the tech that I use, stuff like that. Pero yun. I think that's it for 3 years down the line.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Clients are watching. Clients are listening. Can you let them know that you are back?
I'm back, baby.
Eto, dream gadget or dream brand to work with.
Ayan.
Of course, Canon and Oppo, you're working with them already, but dream brand you want to work with.
Yes, that's the thing. Wala. I just like to
Any.
Wow. Any and all.
Okay.
I like it.
Dream subject. Oh, you photographed
Correct.
the Jenners, the Kardashian, like Pia, Miss
Favorite
Universe.
niya, no? The Black Jesus. Kanye.
Si Kanye.
Si
Oh,
Not Kanye?
No, not yet.
Okay,
Not
okay.
yet. Probably musicians pa rin.
Any particular one?
Kendrick.
Kendrick.
Oh,
Okay.
K-Dot talaga. Pero
Indeed.
yeah.
Last question.
Ang hirap. Ang dami ko pang
Ang hirap
gusto
kaya
itanong.
nga eh.
Balikan na lang ulit next season.
Who shoots Magic Liwanag?
Yeah.
Bang, bang. Or,
Bang, bang.
Dude, you are shooting
bam,
people.
bam.
Who shoots you, man? Who would
Myself.
you trust?
Myself.
You shoot yourself.
Yeah. that doesn't
Di ba,
sound
is
right.
that because
for the podcast listeners.
Hindi ganon.
Meaning photos. Who
Yeah,
takes
correct,
my
correct.
photos?
Kasi nga, when you want something done right, do it yourself. Yung ba yung
Yeah, pero
reason?
my problem is kasi I always I would love for someone to follow me around like what I do with all
Correct.
my
Follow the follower.
subjects.
Hindi kasi sumusunod.
Diba?
May naman ka follow sa kanya.
Pero at the end of the day, nandun pa rin yung parang baka I'm taking too much of your time. Kasi nga, mahihain din ako
At saka alam mo what happens eh, diba?
Yeah. So parang ayoko nagbigay yung burden sa kanila.
Okay,
Parang i-follow.
wow.
But technically, whatever you see on my socials, it's either I give someone a friend na parang, picture mo ako dito, pero wala pang 3 click. Okay na yun.
Okay na
Kasi
yan,
it's so weird for
yes,
me.
I can
Parang nung si
imagine.
Miggy, video ka nag-golf.
Oh, yun.
Bigat siya sa camera mo.
Puro-mura yung
Shout out,
video kasi
Miggy.
sabi niya, bato, ang bigat naman.
Tawa-tawa ako.
Dala niya to. Pero yun. Pero I'm comfortable in front of
The camera, yeah.
But when someone else is handling the camera,
It gets
kaya
weird.
ito walang tao eh. Parang ako, we can talk about...
Correct. Kaya man, relax ka.
Oo, pero pag may tao dyan, tapos parang magpapan na ngayon, parang
medyo weird.
yung double chin ko. Siyempre, self-aware na rin ako pag mga ganun ba.
That's why we love podcasting. I mean, for us, it's like the modern day radio because we can talk about anything without people. It's just us, our listeners, and we do hope you guys enjoyed this episode.
Bitin ako.
Bitin na bitin.
Ako
but
bitin
super
ako.
enjoy.
But we will have hopefully Magic back hopefully in 5 months mag-align na naman yung schedule natin. No?
sana, pagdasal
Nobody's
natin.
gonna be
Baka
in
less na,
Philippines.
baka
Oh,
less.
mga Philippines.
Brands, he's back home.
Tami, please tell us your social media accounts, your socials, where can they can follow you if they want to book you or whatnot.
It's simple. You can follow me everywhere at Magic Liwanag. That's it.
Grabe yung
Everywhere
pang-
you
Magic
type
Liwanag.
Magic Liwanag. Yeah. You'll find me there.
There we go.
Kahit friends.
From
Hindi naman-
concerts, events, everything in between.
Fashion Week.
Fashion week.
Actually more lifestyle. We can just
There we go.
categorize what I do as lifestyle,
Lifestyle photography.
Because I love tech.
The best in the business.
Siya pala yun.
Magic Liwanag, ikaw pala
Pala
yun.
yun.
Ako pala yun.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.